It went really well. Gavin came out, explained it really well. He did a short survey of the exterior of the house to see where the panels could be fitted. Then we sat down and he explained how many panels we could have on the roof, how much power they would generate, and basically how many batteries we would want, how many batteries the panels would power. And he showed us an example of how it was working, and we were sold on the idea. Fantastic, absolutely no mess, like lightning. They had a bit of a problem where they actually put the scaffolding up incorrectly at the rear of the house, the front of the house, instead of down the side of the house. As soon as the guys came out, they were straight on the phone. They were out in a matter of an hour and they moved the scaffolding to the right place. And then when they fitted the system, not the following day, the day after, we came home and the scaffolding had gone. So you never knew they'd been there, except we'd got panels. It's working fantastic. Best thing I've ever done. Yeah, without a doubt. Through these summer months, we've been generating up to 35 kilowatts a day. And because our usage, there's just myself and my wife, usage even with things like the dishwasher and the tumble dryer, washing machine, our usage is quite small, so we are exporting a hell of a lot back to the grid, which is good news. It is a big commitment, but the rewards are big as well, especially after speaking to Gav. He reassured me on the ethos of the company. You know, they weren't a fly-by-night company that's going to be gone within 12 months. So it gives you the confidence to know there is backup there if ever something goes wrong, or if you want to upgrade, you know they're going to be there with good advice.